list of promises to you. I just had to write them down and say them out loud. I feel so lucky that God gave me you. Lift up everyone around. I can't believe what I found. But knowing, will you take my hand? Just smile and say, catch me if you can. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this our love so true. Forever only running after you. Now I can't wait for the children we raise.
Do you, Russ, take Patty to be your lawfully wedded wife, to grow beside and to love her, to comfort her, to honor her, and keep her through sickness and health, and to always have and to hold her from this day forward?
Yes, I do.
And Patty, do you take Russ to be your lawfully wedded husband, to grow beside and to love him, to comfort him, to honor him, and keep him through sickness and health, and to always have and to hold him from this day forward?
I do.
Now, pronounce you husband and wife. Patty, you may kiss your husband.
The plan. No matter what we face and where we land, well, I will always be your man, be your man. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this our love so true. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, and you know that you're my best friend too. I'm so thankful